So hi, part 3 is about storytelling drives professional growth and benefits for the business people. Storytelling is more than an art. It is a strategic skill that propels professional growth and empowers business people to connect, persuade and lead. Either you climbing the corporate ladder, pitching to investors or building a brand, storytelling enhances communication, fosters trust and drives results. So, few tips about and storytelling fuels professional success and why it is indispensable for business people. Let's see. The first one is about enhancing communication and persuasion. Storytelling allows professionals to convey ideas in a compelling, memorable way, making communication more impactful. The first one is clarity and engagement. A well-crafted story organizes complex ideas into relatable narrative. For an example, a project manager explaining a new initiative might frame it as a story of overcoming challenges to achieve a shared goal, making it easier for teams to understand and buy in. Persuasion stories appeal to emotions and logic, key to influencing stakeholders. A salesperson pitching a product might share a customer success story like how a small business doubled revenue using their software rather than listing futures. And the second one is building trust and relationship. Storytelling fosters authenticity, which is essential for building trust with colleagues, clients, and partners. Humanization professionals sharing personal stories like a lesson learned from a career setback make professionals relatable. For instance, a manager who shares how they overcome imposter syndrome can inspire their team and build stronger bonds. Client connections for the business people use stories to connect with their clients emotionally. A financial advisor might share a story of helping a family secure their future, creating a trust beyond the numbers. Driving leadership and influence. Effective leaders use storytelling to inspire teams, align them with a vision, and drive change. Inspiring teams, a leader launching a new strategy might share a story of a complex that transformed through innovations, making the vision tangible. And the next is influencing stakeholders. When seeking buy-in stories, make data compelling, right? A CEO pitching to investors might frame a financial projections as a narrative of growth, like how their startup overcame early hurdles to capture market share. Next is boosting brand and market success. For business people, storytelling is a cornerstone of active marketing and brand building. Brand identity companies like Apple use storytelling to create an emotional connection, framing their products as tools for creative and innovation. Next is customer engagement. Stories make marketing memorable, right? Instead of listing product benefits, a business might share a customer's journey, like how a fitness app transformed user health. Is enhancing professional presence and networking. Storytelling helps professionals stand out in competitive environments from job interviews to industry events. Personal branding. In interviews, candidates who frame their experience as a story, how they solved a major workplace problem, leave a stronger impression than those reciting resumes. In a year 2025, LinkedIn report noted that 70% of hiring managers prefer candidates who use storytelling to showcase their skills. And the next is networking. Sharing a brief, engaging story about a professional achievement or lessons learned makes conversation memorable. For an example, at a conference, a consultant might share a story of helping a client pivot during a crisis, sparking interest from potential partners. And the sixth is problem solving and innovation. Storytelling fosters creative thinking, which is critical for professional growth and business innovation. Framing challenges. Professionals can use storytelling to reframe problems as opportunities. For instance, a product developer facing a design flaw might pitch it as a story of iteration, inspiring the team to innovate. And the next is pitching ideas. Entrepreneurs pitching to investors often use stories to make their vision tangible, right? And the next is adapting to digital and global audiences. In today's digital and globalized world, storytelling helps business people communicate across platforms and cultures. digital storytelling and platforms like X, Instagrams, and maybe the LinkedIn. Concise stories capture attention. A business person post about overcoming a supply chain issue can inspire followers and build it with credibility. So the next is cross-functional communication. Stories transcend cultural barriers by focusing on universal themes like resilience or collaboration. A global sales team might use a story of teamwork to align diverse members and fostering their unity. Practical application in business context. So, how business people can integrate storytelling for their professional growth? The first one is sales and pitches. Share customer success stories or case studies to make pitches compelling. For an example, a B2B software company might highlight how their tool saved a client millions. Next is the team motivation. Use stories to rally teams during tough times. A manager might share a story of past projects success to boost morale. The next is content creation. Develop blogs, videos, or expos that tell stories about your business impact, like how your product changed a customer's life. And the last one is training and development. Use storytelling in training sessions to make lessons memorable, such as narrating a real world example of leaderships in action. So that's all about our storytelling. We'll see you on next topic. Thank you.